everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Plex application on your Android device. If you're looking for a way to download and install the Plex mobile application on your Android, then here's how you can do it. Grab your Android device and open your Play Store. Also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, as soon as you open up your Play Store, type in Plex and search. After you find this application that says Plex Stream Movies and TV from Plex Inc., simply tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android phone. Plex is a popular media server and media player application that allows you to organize, stream, and access your media content, including movies, TV shows, and much more. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the Plex application, and that should be able to download Plex right on your Android device. Go ahead and sign up for a free account if you don't have an account yet and get started with Plex. If you already have an existing account, tap on sign in and log into your account by entering the credentials. So that was how you can easily download Plex application on your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.